She's alive again. Hey everybody, it's Joseph from West Coast Mobile Auto Repair. Out here today with the 2003 Audi 1.8 Turbo Quattro. We did our coil wiring harness. We did coil over flow ring springs and a bunch of other stuff. Now the customers requested that we find the issue of the rough idle they are experiencing. And we have our throttle body off here, set to the side. We're going to run our smoke machine here. And then we're going to start seeing some smoke coming out from the intake area. And if we look down in here, you'll see all the smoke rising. Now, down in here, there is a hose with a T-fitting. Can't really get it on camera too good, but the T-fitting is broken. Let's see. Yeah, I'm not gonna be able to get in there. I can't really show you here on the inspection camera. I guess you can kind of see it there. Here's the T-fitting. This is one hose to the T-fitting and it is snapped here. Turn the smoke machine back on here. See if we can get that to focus in for you. And voila, we have some smoke. So, unfortunately, this whole intake has to come out. This coolant pipe has to come off. In order to get the intake out, you have to pull the injection rail. And then once you do that, you can set this to the side. There's all kinds of vacuum lines hooked up here. One underneath the throttle body down here. There's one here. And I'm sure some other places that I'm missing and forgetting. There's two connections here. And then you can get to that T-fitting down there. What that is the crankcase ventilation. And it runs right over at the top of the oil filter housing. So yeah, unfortunately it's going to be a big job, but it's going to have to get done in order to remedy that. So we did our diagnostic, found our problems. We're going to have to get with the customer and see what they want to do about that, and possibly remedy the situation for them. Well, if that happens, I'll come back with an update for you guys. But until next time, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for checking out our videos. Got any maintenance, repairs, diagnostic needs, go ahead and give us a call or text 951-224-3652. Check us out on Facebook. Look at some of our pictures, videos of our past jobs. And yeah, as always, stay safe, stay blessed.